Welcome to Autos Time. Today we're diving into the powerhouse of heavy machinery, the 2025 Cat D6 Dozer, a bulldozer that's known not only for its raw strength, but also for its technological advancements and efficiency on the job site. Caterpillar has long been a leader in construction equipment, and with the D6 model, they continue to push the boundaries of what bulldozers can achieve in today's world. Starting with the basics, the Cat D6 is built to tackle some of the toughest jobs out there. It's a mid-sized bulldozer, but don't let its size fool you. It's designed to be one of the most versatile dozers in Caterpillar's lineup, equally capable on a construction site, in forestry, and for heavy-duty earth-moving applications. This versatility is thanks to a combination of raw power and cutting-edge technology that helps operators do more with less effort. The first thing you'll notice about the Cat D6 is its powerful build and iconic yellow color with the Cat logo boldly stamped on the front blade. But the real power lies within. Under the hood, the D6 is equipped with a Cat C9.3B engine, a reliable workhorse that combines efficiency and strength. This engine meets the latest emission standards while providing up to 215 horsepower, meaning the D6 has the power to move substantial amounts of material quickly and efficiently. With this power level, operators can tackle challenging tasks without overworking the engine, making it ideal for sustained work in various conditions. One of the highlights of the 2025 D6 is its optimized fuel efficiency. Caterpillar has integrated an advanced fuel system that monitors and adjusts fuel usage based on the load and type of work. This can result in significant fuel savings over time, which isn't just great for the environment but also for your budget. Fuel efficiency is a major consideration in today's machinery, and the D6 stands out as one of the best in its class in terms of balancing power with economy. Over long-term use, this translates to lower operating costs without compromising on performance. Moving on to the blade, the D6 comes with an array of blade options to suit different job needs. It features a semi-universal blade that's highly capable of pushing large volumes of material while still providing excellent control for precision work. The blade has been redesigned for durability with reinforced areas that reduce wear and extend its lifespan. This means less downtime for repairs and a blade that can withstand tough conditions over the years. Caterpillar also offers customizable blade options, so you can select a blade type that best fits the demands of your specific projects, whether it's pushing, grading, or cutting. Operator comfort is another area where the 2025 Cat D6 excels. The cabin has been redesigned to provide a more comfortable and user-friendly environment. Caterpillar has increased the visibility from within the cab, allowing operators to have a clear view of their work area. This is essential for precision work and reduces the need for constant adjustments, ultimately making jobs faster and easier. The seating is also ergonomic, with adjustable settings to fit different operator preferences and body types. Climate control is integrated, keeping operators comfortable in all weather conditions, from freezing winters to hot summer days. Now let's talk technology, because the Cat D6 isn't just a brute force machine, it's smart too. The D6 is equipped with CAT's grade control technology, which is designed to help operators achieve precise grading results with less effort. This technology uses sensors and GPS to provide real-time feedback on blade position, allowing for high accuracy with each pass. Operators can choose fully automated settings, where the system makes adjustments to keep the blade at the right height and angle, or they can go manual with guidance from the system. Either way, this tech makes achieving perfect grades easier and faster, even for operators with less experience. In addition to grade control, the D6 also includes CAT's advanced telematics system. This system allows fleet managers to monitor the machine's performance, fuel usage, and location in real time. This is invaluable for companies that operate multiple machines on different job sites. Through telematics, they can ensure the D6 is running efficiently, staying on schedule, and meeting productivity goals. Plus, it can provide diagnostic alerts, making maintenance more manageable by allowing operators and service teams to address issues before they lead to downtime. Maintenance on the Cat D6 has also been streamlined. Caterpillar has designed this dozer with easy-to-access service points, so routine checks and minor repairs can be done quickly, reducing time off the job site. Filters, fluids, and other essential components are strategically placed to minimize service time. This thoughtful design approach means that operators can spend less time on maintenance and more time doing what the D6 was built for: getting the job done. When it comes to durability, the 2025 Cat D6 Dozer is built to last. Caterpillar has used high-strength steel in key areas of the machine to ensure it withstands tough conditions. The tracks, for example, are reinforced to handle rugged terrains, and the undercarriage is designed for long wear life. These features make the D6 a solid investment for anyone looking for a reliable, long-term workhorse that can endure the toughest environments. In summary, the 2025 Cat D6 Dozer combines power, efficiency, and smart technology in one machine. It's ideal for contractors who need versatility, fuel efficiency, and advanced grading capabilities. With a comfortable cab, high-tech grade control, and a durable build, the D6 offers everything you'd expect from a Caterpillar dozer and more. Thanks for tuning into Auto's Time. If you're interested in learning more about the latest heavy machinery, don't forget to subscribe and stay updated.